What you doing, Perry? You trying to figure out how to jump from the tent to the cubbies? Go get Jonathan's toys to play with something? You trying to go get a toy? What do you see? I know you're climbing on the tent. You can go back up there. And he's like, oh no, we're gonna go up. I see you. Now I see your butt. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you.
On you.
I'm gonna get you. Where you going? Running away. Oh, I know. Yeah.
Nana.
Are you looking down at Jonathan? Are you looking down? What do you see?
Whoa.
I know Jonathan's playing with the ball, huh?
Ooh, that was a big foot.
Yeah, Jonathan's playing with the ball.
Oh, look at that. That was a big.
You
Ooh,
climb down that side? Yeah, you gonna climb down that side? What do you see over there? I know you're trying so hard to figure out how to get in to play with all the toys that are in here. Jonathan, are there toys in here? Yeah. Are there toys in here? Yeah. See? We got all sorts of fun stuffies. This is a really great little playing nap mat.
Yeah?
But the birds are going nuts because it's like this clear force field around us.
Force field around us.
Yes. It's a birdie. Yeah, how do I get in there?
It's down.
How do you get in there, Perry?
Is it upside down?
How do you get in here?
Down.
Yeah.
Pee spelt. What the